Hello, our fellow rail fans. Welcome again to our channel. Today, I'm gonna take you on another spontaneous tour of a small train stop located near the town of Tłuszcz. This place is called Jarzębia Łąka. The name is a true tongue twister for anyone from abroad. Jarzębia Łąka. It's got something to do with meadows and some trees with small red fruits. But never mind, we are here to see the train stop. It's not a station, it's a train stop, I'd say. It's very small. You've got a single track here and only one platform. This way here, up there is Tłuszcz, the town of Tłuszcz, which we have visited last time. And this way round you would go towards Wyszków and Ostrołęka, bigger cities in the area in Mazovia, in Poland. Okay, this is a single track line. It's got electricity. It's being used all the time by passenger trains and by cargo trains as well. Lots of cargo trains go this way actually. Hauling coal, very often it's coal for some power plants in Ostrołęka, for example. There's the sign saying Jarzębia Łąka. As you can see, the area is quite nice. Meadows, forests, some place to play some sports like volleyball or football. Beautiful trees, blossoming trees because it's spring. We got very early spring this year in Poland. Okay, we'll see the rest of the train stop, and I'm going to show you a very beautiful building that's been renovated recently. You can see it on the left in the distance. It used to be the train station building here at this train stop in Jarzębia Łąka, but now it's been converted into a library. So it's a library now, totally renovated. Made of wood, and it looks really great. By the way, here we have, a bench to sit on, kind of roof, so that, you don't get wet during rain. Yeah, and that's the whole platform. I guess it's like 200 meters long, I'd say. And there's the building I told you about. The library in Jarzębia Łąka, a former train station building. They built a small park, small recreational area around it. You've got a timetable for the train here, some info about the railroad and so on. There's the building again. And there in the distance you can see the level crossing, the railroad crossing, with the gates, lights and signals. It's a traditional, I would call a typical level crossing in Poland, in some rural areas in Poland. There are plenty of films on YouTube where you can see some level crossings in Poland if you wish to see more of them. There's this playground, kind of small park or whatever I should call it, near the library in Jarzębia Łąka. It's a really nice place. You can come here with your kids, let them play, and you can wait for a train. Maybe you will see an interesting one. and there's the train stop again. So thanks for watching, and hope to see you soon in another one. Take care.